Hey everybody, this is Joel. Today we're going to show you how to use the foam roller on the hamstrings. Just like the calves, we're going to be in a seated position. We're going to place the foam roller right on the bottom of the back of the leg. Well, right above the knee is a good starting point. Alright, lifting your body up, placing the opposite leg down, and rolling back and forth is really all we can do in this position. To increase the pressure, we can cross the leg, lift the body, okay, and add more pressure just to the back of the leg. If you find a point that's sore, rotate the leg around it and turn the foot. Find that center of the sore spot. As long as it's not causing numbness, tingling, anything shooting down the leg, then you can hold that point. Most likely if it's a knot, you're going to feel it bound up, you're going to feel it tighten up even more, and then it's going to slowly start to release after about 60 seconds to 2 minutes. So that's how you foam roll the IT band. Oh, I'm sorry, the hamstring. The IT band is next though, so stay tuned. Keep up the good work.